Good morning. Nice. All right. So, oh, why does it want to say I'm not connected on here? Premium account. Da, 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 da. Oh, they're doing me dirty. StreamYard's doing me dirty, y'all. They said I can't stream to Twitter right now because I need a premium account on Twitter. How does that make any sense? I'm gonna click go live anyways. No. All right. Well, I guess I'm not premium on Twitter anymore. Jeez. All right. So I did a little momentum scalp this morning. We were so close to midnight price. I just got in here and took a little short activity. I think we obviously want to come down further. POC's down here, 80% setup. Yeah, other than that, a lot of room down here. I don't even know what happened over the weekend. What is this large ass gap? Okay, let's see if we can find ourselves an entry. How are you guys doing this morning? I can't believe it's not going to let me stream on Twitter. That's so rude. Okay. Also, it's Monday. Hold on. I'm going to unshare my screen for a second and switch it over. Anybody take any trades this morning? Oh, there's that. All right. That should work better. All right. Oh my gosh. Look, I look crazy. I'm a little shiny. This is my natural skin. I'm not wearing makeup, guys. Anyways, wow. I wish I held that trade, bruh. I'm up 1,000 from that scalp. I probably took it from like there till the 14 where midnight price was. But wow. How I should have held that. Could have been up a couple grand. Silly. It's going like straight down, huh? See, this is where you gotta like fight the FOMO. It's like, dang, like I really could just get in this real quick. If it just takes POC too. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Paul. Good morning, Pilar. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. What do you say we get a little hectic and short it down to the POC? Like, it's going to take that, right? Ugh. Somebody stop me. I low-key want to. I'm, like, up. So, like, if I lost a little bit of money. 510. Dare I do it? It's new week. You're right. New week. I should play it safe, huh? But we're going. Oh, my goodness. We're taking the POC, too. Yeah. Damn. All right. Man, if I would have held that trade too, I would have had it from 40. I took here, and that was $1,000. That would have been like 5, 6. Beauty. Okay. Patience. Yes. Okay. Well, let's see. Let's find our next move. Bruh, we are just going. See, you guys are saying be patient. I just want to throw some contracts on. Just one baby contract. See where it goes. Like, obviously, we're sitting here on our way down. All right, let's zoom out on the chart and see where this price wants to go. Okay, dailies looking pretty bearish. Obviously, we have all of these from below that we have not engaged yet. Not for today, but definitely in the near future, probably. Guys, I want to take a vacation. I want to go to Hawaii. Everybody's going to Hawaii right now. Okay, we just tapped that gap recently. Bounced off of it. All right, so yeah, we're definitely bouncing through some levels right now. We haven't yet touched this 4 hour, but we came down to this 4 hour, bounced out of it. You know, we might end up going up a little bit more to set in a lower high. Yeah, I'd say so. I'd say that's probably. Do we think it's coming for this little gap? Definitely did. Yeah, if we can hold support here in this area, let me get my little handy dandy pen. Get my handy dandy little drawing pen that I can barely maneuver. If we can hold here, come back up, tap into here, then go lower. May not get all that today because it's a 4 hour chart, but definitely valid. Definitely valid. Yo, get this off my screen, dog. There we go. That's what we're looking for. You see how we just perfectly hit that, bounced off of that. Beautiful. I love the markets. Let's see what we got on the 15-minute chart. Like, look at this gap, bro. It's like, okay. All right. I'm gonna need you guys' help this morning. Talk to me. What's going on? It's Monday. I'm tired. Good morning. Happy Monday. Very interesting. Beauty. Okay. Love how we just got huge support from this area right here. There's our inversion. Now do we come up and take the highs, or what are we going to do? All right, since we already took the midnight and the POC, I'm echoing. Am I echoing, or are you echoing? Ah ha ha ha. Yeah, it is. That's funny. Yeah, so since we already took the midnight and the POC, we can definitely try to get a VWAP trade, either the double break or let's see, stand by, friends. All right. Yeah. You guys You guys see me over here with my little beach hair, looking all crusty dusty. All right. So what we're looking for right now is for the first 15-minute range to set. So 6:45. Once that range sets, we're going to be looking for a break of either the top of the range or the bottom of the range. Right now, it's definitely looking like it's going to be the bottom of the range. So we will sit on our hands and just wait. Hang out for a bit. We're going to see if we catch another trade and then probably call it for the day because, yeah, there's just a Monday. I don't really like trading on Mondays and Fridays. If I had my way, it would just be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But I saw you guys in the chat. You're like, are you streaming today? Yeah, I guess I'll stream today. Mondays and Fridays are like the day that you're like, wake up, you know you want to trade, but you also like, I don't want to like commit to doing it at a certain time, you know. Same thing for my Fridays. I'm like, I just want to leave. So it's kind of nice to be able to do that. Let's see if we can hold resistance here in this area again. A little POC action. It definitely did. I think I made like some good money during the market hours, but then what was it? I think Thursday I went in and I tried to trade Asia session on Thursday night. It's wicked. Three more minutes to this range sets. The session was good. I feel like, all right, we broke the bottom of the range. I feel like it was good. I think we made good money that day. Where's she going? Gap fill? What do you guys think? Think we come down here and fill this gap? Or at least a big portion of it? People are saying Asia is where price action is good to say. One might say. Personally, I don't feel that way. I feel like, ew. Yeah, it's like Thursday I was just doing like the most. I think I lost all the profits I made during the day. And then I made them back and I was like, yeah, we don't need to do that. This right here is yesterday's low. If we come down and fill this gap and we get a pullback, I'll take a trade into yesterday's low for sure. See if we got anything else. 2 hour left. Whole lotta. Yeah, we have a lot of space down here into these areas. It's a gap right there. Mark that out. A little hourly gap. Okay. All right. Well, I'm taking my earrings off. Does anybody else like? No, you guys don't. You don't get it. You're not female. I hate earrings. Come here. Come here. Little kitty, come here. Kitty cat. Looking to get long to the 370s. 370s. Up here? Why? What's over there? So like we got gap fill there. Let's just label this I don't have a label for that yet. Save drawing template. Let's call it. We'll just do that. Oh, of course it's in block writing. Whatever. 370. Like, I mean, why are you looking to get long there? Is it? Let's see what that looks like. 50% of that. See, that don't make any sense. I'm trying to figure out where you got that price from. Yeah, I think we just need to like see what price action is trying to do here. I might be willing to. See, we've been on such like a double break type stitch with the VWAP that I'd want to get short at the VWAP, but I feel like it's not even worth it because people have been making a lot of money doing the double break situation. It comes down, it breaks one side of the range and then breaks the other side of the range. Because right now we are sitting in this range, just set. We have our high, we have our low, and we just broke the low. Okay. So if we want to come down, break this side of it, and then the double break play come into play, then we're going to go break the other side. So we shall see. We shall see. Sorry, I'm switching the song. Custom timeline. Interesting. I'm gonna have to fix my Twitter, my X account. Genesis block. I'm curious what that is. The concept you created. Oh yeah. I remember you talking about this briefly. What tells you though that that's the spot? What is the Genesis block? Is it something that you can relate to like a fair value gap or anything like that, or is it something completely different? I'd be curious to learn if you could try to explain. If we get a closure above this little gap right here, I might take a stab at a small long because we've been double breaking this range lately. I would look for a closure above, get in long, watch the reaction here. If we could get a strong break of the New York, take it up to there. I would just be front running like the actual thing. Because like in that stance, we're basically a good from here to here. Like that would be a trade. that we would be able to take. But right now we're not really doing too hot. We'll give it a couple more minutes. Hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi. Market's doing okay. I made money short this morning with a midnight price. May look too bearish. I know it looks bearish, but when you zoom out, like on the hourly chart, we came down, we tapped into an hourly, like right in this area, and we have not tapped into this hourly. So it's potential that we go up and we take the other side of it, tap into that, and then come down lower. The other option is that we do fill this gap, which is there, and then there's an hourly here. So if we wanted to come down this way and then, but we gonna see. Closure above this, I'm definitely still getting long though. Yes, I can show you my midnight trade. I got in pre-market. So I came to the chart and it was already playing out, but we got these candles up, created a fair value gap, closed below that fair value gap. We closed below that fair value gap. So that's the inversion fair value gap that is the entry signal. I did not get it then, so I got in like right here in this little pullback area. And I only played this move right here. So I only played like that much of it. I wish I had held it longer. Hold on, sorry. There we go. Let me make sure. Oh, okay. We got a closure above this gap. I kind of want to take a little tiny swing at this. I'm going to do like one contract. Like said, that right there is the next gap, but I'm also looking for a double break. So I'm going to let this play out for a second and see how it reacts to the New York. Let me focus on this for a minute because I don't want to see it I don't want to see it create a lower low. That would kind of like tell me like we're not ready to go yet, you know? Or do I give it a little space? That'd be okay with me. Anyways, yeah, don't play with me. See, that's the opening range low, right? We're right here. Yeah, I feel safe with my stop there. If it goes, it's trade's done. It's not playing out. But anyways, so that was my short this morning. It was a concept. It was playing out already, and I just got in a little late. We'll call it a momentum scalp. I wish I had held the whole thing because it went straight down to POC, like no trouble. I was trailing my stop. I honestly probably took down here, but I was trailing my stop so tight that it like took me out of it. Unfortunate. Okay, so here, I'll label this out too. Inversion, fair value gap, entry. I'll call it an entry signal. I did not need to write that in all capitals. And then entry, my TP midnight price. Yeah. Come on, give us a little juice. I don't like how that's sitting there. Get out of here. Right now we are taking, so like, got the slightest little baby close right here. Oops. Slightest little baby close above this gap. I'm again still trying to see if we can come up, take midnight, and double break because we've been doing that. I may be early on the trade, so we'll see. But it's $140 risk, so I'm really not worried about it. Yeah, I mean, definitely. Okay, so it's based on a 90-minute cycle theory, a Genesis block. So 5-minute candle range that opens every 90 minutes cycle, and even every 30-minute cycle. Okay, interesting. 90-minute cycle. Do you have like an indicator that you created to kind of like keep track of this, or you just do it manually? And what made you like come up with this idea? We're definitely gonna take my stop. Don't freaking do it. It's going to. It's going to. All right, bye-bye. Fuck out of here. All right, let's see. See, that could have been like a great trade right there. Had I been wanting to get short. Where's she going? These are our Asia lows, right? Let's see. Settings, text, white. Oh, no, that's the gap fill. Okay, that's the gap fill. All right, fine. We're staying short then. Let's see what we can do with that. I don't know. Like every day last week, we got a double break. Like I shouldn't have front runned it, but live and you learn. I would be eligible for a payout in like 2 days. 2 days from now. Wednesday. But I kind of want to get to my target by Wednesday or I'm not going to take a payout. I want to get to, what is it, like 12,000 in the accounts, and it's nowhere near that right now. My balance is like 3,000, which means I'd get, like obviously there's 2 more days, but I get like $1,500 per account. I want 6,000 per account, so we need 12,000 in the account. That's where they get you, because you're like, gotta have this number. Of course. Good morning. Good morning, Tet. Yeah, we're definitely coming down to fill this little gap. Thank you. If we could get like maybe a pull back into this opening range low area with this gap, then we could get short, take it down there. Took the short from 470. Now I'm hesitating to get long. Yeah, I'd be hesitating too. 470. Yeah, see, that would have been a great area to take it. Had I been watching the low at AVWAP. Only thing that makes me nervous about this is last week we had a gap too, and we didn't, twice, week prior, And we didn't fill the entire gap, and I'm used to seeing it fill the entire gap. So, like, you got to watch these things with the market. Like, sometimes it's doing something way different. I feel like I'm just missing all the good trades. This is where order flow maybe would be lit. It just occurred to me that, like, you don't need to, like, obviously with the prop firms you get live data, but if it was running 10 minutes late, you'd still be able to trade. But, like, nah, that doesn't make sense, because then that doesn't make any sense. Don't be a piece of shit. All right, it takes it. So next target would be this hourly gap. Next target after that would be yesterday's low. So we just took gap. We filled this gap that we put in overnight. 100% of it too. You see that? Right there. This whole gap. So I know some of you guys are new in the chat. So the gap is like where the price completely gaps up, just overnight from the open, and it creates this big space that usually wants to get filled. So we keep that in mind as a draw on liquidity. Fiat. We are engaging an area that could definitely show as support. Let's see if it does. Toxic trade wants to get long. Since we just took out that gap, she wants to get long. Oh yeah, we on a solo mission today. Yeah, I was not going to stream today, honestly. I didn't stream last Monday, and I wasn't going to stream today, but I saw somebody in the chat asking if I was going to stream, so I was like, well, fuck it, I'm already trading, so we on. High trade size times the indicator I use for. I trade to size. I'll look at that in a minute. I do want to try to catch this trade going up. Like, we just sold off a lot, and we also we sold off a lot, and like, oh, there's the gap. This is crazy. If I just held that shit from the open, bro, my account would be so high right now. I'm kind of pissed. Dare I do it? Dare I just momentum trade this down? I got yesterday's low down there. Freaking tired. Good shit. Guys, everybody just wants you to like pay for things all the time. Like, why? It's like you have to have premium this and premium that and da-da-da-da-da. And I just got charged $400 for TradeZilla like this morning. Thanks. I don't even use that shit. And then X wants me to be premium. You have to be premium to stream. StreamYard wants to charge me to stream. I need to just create my own, all of them. It's ruining me. So tired. Yeah, this is like one time that I kind of like, I wish I didn't live in California. And I got home late too. What do you guys think? We're gonna tap this hourly gap and reject, or are we gonna go to yesterday's low? If we go to yesterday's low, then what, you know? Like, then what? We're just selling. It's giving that selling energy. Like, imagine I held on to this entire thing. That's nuts. Like, I made $1,000 on 40 points. This is like 400 points. I would have made like $10,000. Insane. All right, we're in the gap. Oh, yeah. I'm with that. If we close below, we could look for a little pullback and short till the yesterday's low. But now that we tapped that area, is this where it wants to go back up? Put in a little lower high. Or do we go double break? Who knows? Maybe my trade from earlier plays out. It just was way too early for it. I kind of want to put like one baby contract on. Leave me alone. I'm going to put it at the bottom of this. So 257. This is not something I would recommend taking. 257. I'm only doing this because I have a buffer from this morning's trade. But I do want to see, like, you know, when you come up in this area. And if we double break, where is the double break? It's all the way up here at midnight, 617. 617. Yeah, like up there somewhere. Let's see. Yeah, because I think like said, the double break has worked every day like last week, and before that it was printing too. So maybe I was just early for that. Got a little ahead of myself. I shouldn't have got in the trade before it crossed the New York. But we are who we are. We are who we are. Okay. I'm also going to put a lower day VWAP on. If we can get a nice distance away from that lower day VWAP, then break it. That'll be a good short indication. Just because my TP is all the way up here does not mean we're going all the way up here. So don't try to do any of that. We're watching every single one of these gaps to see how we react to it. So, you know, this is not something that I would recommend by any means. There's so much little spaces up here that could act as resistance. Does it break? Back in my entry. Yeah, we're just getting a sell. We're just straight sailing. It's going to take that stop. I'm closing it. All right, so here's the issue. Even though this didn't really get off of the VWAP, like, look at that. That's crazy. See, I'm going to sit here and I'm going to try to take longs in a short, like in the market, shelling off. And then when I decide, all right, I should stop going against the trend, I'm going to start going with the trend, and the trend is going to change. All right, whatever. We're still up at 850. I think there is something about going to USA to meet Trump. Who is that? Netanyahu. Who dat? Damn, homies. We're just going. See, now this is what I was saying earlier. Yesterday, oh, get out of here. Yesterday's low right there. Bruh, are we just going to take it? I'm going to be so annoyed if we don't come back, like, at least to there. 214. I will genuinely be pissed. Because that, like, kind of just gets everything out that I wouldn't even know what to do at that point. Is Israel's president? Oh. Yeah. Okay, so we close below. Guys, should I take a stab at the shorts? I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. Try it. I swear to God. If you don't get me in, I'll be so upset. Like we today's gonna trigger me. This is why I don't like Mondays. Like, yeah, we're up, but 2 of my trade ideas didn't work out. One of them's honestly my fault. Not both of them, basically my fault. I'm gonna keep adding into this shit. It's like piss me off. So like the idea is obviously we want to see this reject out of this area that we just created. Right there. We want to see that. And then we want to see it go down to yesterday's low. This gap has already been taken. I'm going to turn this a different color. It's really aggressive. I'm going to just turn down the opacity. How about that? All right, 214. Do you guys think that we're going to just keep going, or are we just going to take yesterday's low and then that's it? Like, I also like already took 2 losing trades because I was being impatient. It's really hard to watch the market like completely sell off like this and then, you know, sit in it still. Like, I might call it. Especially if this goes against me, I'm going to be over it. Just give me a little sell-off. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. I will widen this, but I will trail. Like, I don't even know what I haven't set my chart. I didn't think we were going to make it to yesterday's low, in all honesty. Kind of not going to let this go against me. All right, you're a bitch. I swear it's gonna this is gonna trigger me. It's gonna trigger me. Stop playing with my emotions. I'm not letting this go against me. I'd rather be out of the trade than I'm tired of this shit. Tired of this shit, Grandpa. Like, I can't be patient. I've already taken like thanks. I've already taken like 2 shitty fuck you. All right. What's up, Market Butcher? How you doing? Are you streaming today or no? I'm 2 shakes away from tilting. Like, I just don't want to stay in this trade. I'm having sound issues this morning. I can't hear anything. Here I said, are you streaming? Now watch. It's gonna take the fucking level. Heartbroken. All right. Well, happy Monday. I'm up $860. I don't really want to keep trading at this point. Because I do think that the market's going to turn around, and I'm wondering if it front runs these lows or if it takes it and then goes. Yeah, we're taking it. We got to. If we leave these lows, though, guys, I'm tired. I'm tired of this. It is. What's crazy is if I would have stayed in that short, it would have been a great day. But now I just feel like, are we going to leave these? I genuinely would not be surprised if we got like this, what is that, like 10 points away from taking them. A little shifty, a little dodgy. We're taking him. We have to. I want us to sweep it and then get an inversion so I can get in a trade, because that would be a great trade. We sweep a level, inverse this fair value gap, and then we could take it at least to there, if not higher. Come on, just a little more. Do it. Do it. We got it? Do we got it? Do it. Okay, we got it. So if it doesn't just continue selling off and we can get an inversion, we're going to get in a long. And the long is going to look like closure above this gap. We're going to get in till at least this gap. Okay, there it is. There it is. There it is. Let's see. All right. We got 9 more minutes until the initial balance is set, so we can also trade off of that. I feel like I need like an IV indicator. POC, midnight. We'll get rid of midnight. We'll get rid of these since we already engaged them. Don't need that. All right, we got Asia. Asia's session highs above. POC, we'll keep that. Yesterday's lows. My wassle wasn't wassling. Tell me what your wassle was. Not a good sign. We might keep going. Like, what? What is this shit, man? I got a gap right there. Yeah, I mean, we have a gap, like an hourly gap below, but, you know, looking at this, what a beautiful sell-off this morning. Beautiful. God, the money that could have been made on that. Options. Should have had some options going. Yeah, I don't think this is turning around yet. It's still going. Oh, let's see. Okay. There's a 4-hour here. That'll be the next draw that I see. We got these and what the hell? Welcome. Did you get that short on the open for a midnight price?
Nah. Oh yeah, for midnight, yeah, I did.
Bruh, if I would have hold that shit, it would have been 10K.
What?
$10,000. Like probably more now. Like I did I did take the short, and I momentumed because I couldn't really like I had just opened my chart. And I looked at it, I was like, oh shit, like we got the inversion pre-market, like right here. We got the inversion right here, and
Yeah.
we got a little bit of pullback. I got in short. I let it go, but I started trailing because I was like, if we just keep selling towards the POC, like I'll just let it go. I trailed too tight. It took me out. I made $1,000. In that amount right there, $1,000, like, because I put size on it and I was like, momentum scalp. Like, if I
Right,
would
right.
have shit, that would now
Yeah.
be 40 points is $1,000. So like
Yeah.
485 divided by 40.
Pretty
485
insane.
divided by 40 is
12.
12.125.
So it'd be 12 grand. Fuck. That hurts my soul.
Man, that sucks.
Did you
But-
just wake up?
Hmm?
Did you just wake up?
No, I did a little stream on my channel. I tried to you know, do a little something over there, just trying to build that up a little bit.
Gotcha.
But just couldn't find any trades.
Yeah, dude, it's
just had the midnight trade, and then I closed out. Didn't
Yeah.
expect this huge big ass dump.
Not at all. Somebody said that there's like the Israeli president is popping into America to talk to Trump. So
Who is?
Like- the Israeli president.
Oh,
I don't really know what that means for us, but you know. Yes, MSP. I did take a trade this morning. It was we had an inversion fair value gap and little pullback. I got in and took it to the midnight price.
yeah. I mean, we got a piece of the pie. You know, I think we were on the same page there, even though we weren't on a stream together. But we took pretty much the same thing.
Now we're drawing into this gap, and I mean, this is beautiful. Like this sell-off is something that I've been really hoping for a long time. I do want to see it go way further though. Like
Yeah.
in the next like couple of days, if we can get down to all of this shit right here, that's when I'm going to start
Mhm.
putting options like cash buying options and
Mhm.
like long in the market. Like
yeah,
I want
Austin
see-
says like whenever there's like a 20% drop or something like that from all-time high, that's when you start to buy.
yeah.
And how far have we been dropping already?
We are currently sitting at what is that like? I don't know how to look at like what do you use a
Yeah, you just
fib?
measure. No, use the measure tool, the measuring tool.
Oh,
So
hold on.
9%. We're like 10% down from the all-time high. So yeah, like right around what you said. What price did you want to buy it at?
Are you talking about this measuring tool? 9%.
Is it? Yeah, you see the measuring tool, right? The
Oh,
ruler.
so yeah, like right down here. That would be like literally 20%.
Yeah.
Like that would be ideal. That'd be like, yeah.
Yeah, I've been waiting for this drop as well. Like 28,000 has been on my radar for a while. Looks like we're gonna get it today. I did not expect this shit to happen today, but
Not at all.
what are you gonna do?
Honestly, in the last 2 weeks, we've had gaps that formed and we didn't fill the entire gap. So today I was just sitting there. I was like, normally I'd short the
Yeah.
shit out of it to the gap, but I was like,
Yeah.
I don't trust it anymore.
Yeah,
So-
exactly. Same. That's exactly what I was thinking too. I was like, I don't know. This is too sus. Like it's too obvious. Draw
Yeah.
liquidity is too obvious.
Yeah.
I
Let's
found-
hope. So, okay.
So-
So we did tap into this little daily gap and now we're continuing.
Let me see the
So
daily gap. What you're talking about here?
it'd be ideal to kind of put in another one, but we have this daily gap here. So maybe that's where we
Oh,
go.
down here at 27,800s.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We have that, and then did anybody just hear my neck crack? I feel like I just broke my neck. That was crazy.
Wow, I literally called this out last week in the liquidity lab. that we would come down here to 28,000, and sure enough, we did it.
Sure enough, should have
Didn't
bought
have-
this. Maybe I should just do it now.
What?
It's just like to buy
DCA now?
no, like buy some option shorts.
I don't know how that shit works. You know how that shit works?
I mean, it's a little complicated. I don't know what's gonna happen when I take my hair down, guys. So don't look at me. It's a little complicated because, like, obviously, you need to have enough time to not expire.
Yeah, that whole expiration thing is annoying. Like time decay and all that. I'm like, okay, whatever.
Yeah.
All right, so we have hit my target that I've been wanting to do. So I might even take a long right here. It would be very, very risky. What's up, Majikon? It would be very risky for my long, but I think I'm gonna go for it. Where's my target?
Yeah, you can share your screen if you want.
Yeah. Share my screen. You gotta show me how to do music on StreamYard.
It's it's a whole thing in itself. Why is there a ginormous blue? Oh, thank you. Here we go.
But it would be really stupid of me to take this long because this is the area that I had marked out all the way back here. This is exactly the price that I had marked out. And I think I want to take a long here. But it's just kind of stupid to do that because
I've taken a couple stocks.
Literally,
they've lost.
you take it. Oh, you have?
Because I keep feeling like, all right, this is the point. We've swept the liquidity. This is the point. We turn around, and it just isn't.
Right. Yeah, that would be pretty stupid of me to try to catch a knife. I think I just gotta wait for it. As I'm saying that, I'm contemplating actually taking a trade here. But where's my draw liquidity? Honestly. Yeah, so the original idea, what I had was, taking it from, this is Asia low right here. This would be a nice retrace, right? This would be a nice retrace. Right here, coming up to optimal trade entry here and then taking it like that. I would like to see that. This is Asian low. This is like a play that I love to do. We get a nice retrace into Asian low and we take it to 50% of this move up. I would love to see a nice pull up here. If we get some a little bit of bullish price action, I might actually participate long. We'll see in a smaller time frame sense. If we get a break of structure in here, I would like to see it. But right now it's just catching a knife. You could take a lot of paper cuts like that.
Like me.
What's your P&L for the day?
Like 730. Well, like at one point I had like over 1,000 in the account, but she said, we're not doing what we're supposed to be doing today. I took a couple paper cuts.
Yeah, we just gotta be patient for our setup, right?
No
FOMO type. Yeah, see, like.
I've been following all morning.
Nah, dude, you can't be doing that.
I think, like, just even having. Oh, and I have trailing too. What a bitch. Yeah, I need to not. I honestly shouldn't trade anymore.
Really?
Like,
you're out of the pocket or what?
I feel like I shouldn't trade anymore because I keep thinking that it's going to turn around. It keeps not turning around.
Maybe just like take a little break and then come back to the desk.
Your max loss limit.
Which you talking about Top Step?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out if it's like by the end of the day or if it's like
it's end of day drawdown.
Okay, so I'm chilling.
It's not intraday. No, you're chilling.
Okay.
That's why I go with Top Step, because they're end of day.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was just like, oh fuck, like it's following me.
It's following me.
My back feels so much better.
Yeah, doing the
Like
BBC.
day 4 or something. Did I tell you I went to the spinal surgeon and I talked to him about it and he was just like, "Yeah, do it." I was like,
What,
"Okay,
the injections?
yeah, the BPC, whatever it's called."
Heck yeah, nice. And it's been helping, of course.
Yeah, big time. Like I had that appointment on the 22nd on Wednesday of last week,
Mhm.
and I'm on like day 3, 4, or 5 or something. They haven't even prescribed me to the back brace or the PT therapist yet, and I'm already feeling better because of the injections. Like,
Wow, see that? It's awesome.
yeah,
Yeah, the BPC is it's awesome.
a
With
blessing.
TP 500, it's been helping.
All right, guys, I'm gonna do everybody a solid right now, and I'm gonna get short so that the market turns around.
The market makers,
Because
Abby.
it's great. It's doing the opposite of everything that I do, so I might as well just let you guys have a nice trade for the day. 89.
This is a little ridiculous.
It is. It's ridiculous. The next point is 89.
Open. Freaking insane. What is that? 600 points? Jeez.
Crazy.
500 points, 600 points. Yeah, I'm looking for some little bit of turnaround here at this level that I marked out. Other than that, really hands off. I think I saw in the PFM TV that they were going long as well, like doing some try catching as well.
Yeah.
I was like, okay.
Yeah, I mean, but I think that was Zach's trade. Like, not Zach, but the other Zach.
Boyajin.
No, I'm pretty sure it was our Zach.
Our Zach?
Yeah.
No, he did? He was trying to catch knives?
He was trying to do what we were trying to do. But it's valid because it's like we swept so many levels. We should have.
Yeah.
How funny would it be if we just turned around right here and we left these lows at 89? Like we are a tick away from 89. Yeah, I would literally be. This is what I was afraid of.
Show me your screen real quick. Okay, show me your 89. I'm not sure what you're talking about.
Yeah. So I marked out lows because once we went through that gap, I was like, all right, we gotta like figure out what's next. So if you go left, there's some lows here and there was lows here. And we are like just the babyest tick away from those lows. So if we end up leaving them, I wouldn't be surprised. Chat, I wouldn't be surprised.
Let me mark out that daily that you have there. That's going to be an important level here. Yeah. Yeah, I see it.
The question is like, do we really have, we've already sold off so much this morning. Do we really have the energy to keep selling off? I mean, obviously price is going to pull back here, but is it going to keep selling off? I don't know. Maybe in the Asia session.
Well, typically if there's a big sell-off or a big move at the New York, either Asia reverses or consolidates. Very rarely it continues. But it's still mad early. I feel like there's trades to be there are trades to to take, but just gotta be patient for it. Like for sure, like if you find a base down here at this level, I will take the swing high, the swing low. Let me see if I can share my screen.
Feel that.
I think I might be sharing.
You're up.
All right, yeah. So if I find like a little base here, right where my area is, like coming back up into this Asia low, like I was talking about. Does that make sense? Like, does that kind of like, and also like this is the daily gap, right? Now I marked out the daily gap. It'll be retesting that daily gap and then coming lower. But you know, we'd have to form that inversion of this daily gap first, right? And then we could take plays off of it.
Mm-hmm.
We have to close below this. We have to close like in here in this area. Take plays off of it.
Oh my goodness. Guys, I just say that we sell 500 contracts right now. Go hard or go home.
You got something inside of you that just wants the full port today.
I just did. Like dead ass. I just did. I'm like where is
All
right.
Okay. You're out.
Well, I should have held it. I was trailing really hard. I swear, sometimes I look at this and I'm like, I'm gonna have a meltdown, and I do. I like freak out. I'm like, look what I just did.
You do?
I was at like 7:30.
What's the number? 13? Fuck yeah.
It's like 1400, bro. But like, what is this? Because we took the lows. Now we're gonna keep going.
Yeah, I'm flabbergasted right now.
I really am too. Like, I love to see it. Trust me, I love to see this shit. But it's crazy because normally in a market like this, I would thrive. But because our market conditions have just been so different lately, I'm not believing sell-offs. We've been every single day. They mess with your psychology. Every single day, we have sold off a big portion of it and then retrade the entire move. We're double breaking every day. We're down, right back up, right back down for like weeks.
Well,
so seeing
also another point why we're selling off could be end of the month, and end of the month usually people taking profits or like they're like exiting positions. Also, I don't know, is there Q2 or when is Q2 or whatever, Q3, all that shit? Do you know?
That's like every 3 months, I think.
Okay, so maybe it's like coming around to that. I don't know. I'm just trying to think like macro wise. But this is a big move. Let's see on this measure. Let's take some measure moves here. See if we can project what could happen here. So let's take some measure moves. Do you know what measured moves are?
Your fib?
No. So like, for example, like this is a measured move from here to here. This is a measured move, and like typically you would see like a very similar like sell-off. For example, like here, from here to here, it's a measured move. You see that? From this high to this low, this is the distance. If I take that exact distance and I put it here, look what happens. From here to here, same exact measure move. Do you see that?
So where does it go for the next move?
So we're going to take it from here to here. Could potentially come here to 600s. 600s, 650s.
600s, okay.
But, you know, I count 665.
665. So that gap below is not quite down to 600, but Bam, I just got in.
So probably would be hands off until we do fill this.
One might think.
Like make this measure move. If we do, like I'll look to buy that. Those measure moves are powerful. You've seen it right here too. Like boom, same deal. Boom. See that? From here, here, it's about the same. It's about the same. It's about the same. And we're gonna look for the same here.
I wonder if there's any way.
You like that sauce, chat?
Saucy.
Damn, I'm hungry. I've been hungry lately. I've reduced my weekly. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
My weekly, and I'm definitely feeling it. I'm feeling the monster come back.
See, I didn't get that. I just like cold
Uh-huh.
quitted. I didn't get that at all. But
You
I
don't
was
get them. Are we frozen?
it says Urkan's cam is lagged. Abby.
Okay.
No, you're fine. I see you.
Yeah, but I can't think I'm lagging here.
Nah, you're totally fine.
Okay, but I can't see, but whatever. If you guys can see me, that's fine. I'm lagging. But anyway. What were we saying? Oh yeah.
I don't know.
The Retta.
Oh right. Yeah, I was only on 10, so like I didn't feel it when I got off of it. Oh shit, my
Oh, you're not on it now?
what?
Wait, so you're not on it?
Not so much, no. Like I took it for you are lagging,
Okay.
but I took it for like a couple of weeks and then I was
Let
off
me
of it.
rejoin.
Yeah, do that.
Let me rejoin. OMG. Hardcore lagging.
Oh, are we getting it? Are we getting it? We get a little closure above that. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. We might be getting that little turnaround.
Yeah. Potentially.
It's fine now, they said. Here, exit the entire thing. Like, go out and come back in. Let me re-add you. Bam, I kind of want to take this up to the next fair value gap. Is that like a valid gap to get in on? Should I do it? I'm going to do it. If it lets me, I'm going to get in. And I want to see like that. This might be a bad idea, but Ergon, exit and come back. So the idea here is that we got an inversion here. We also got a little inversion here. We have a tiny little space right here that I'd like to see if I can get in on, but we might miss it. It would basically be like from there to this next gap right here. That gap. We could also like take it further, but I don't think we're gonna get it. Oh, what a day. It's crazy. It's like, oh, here, guys, let's see what happened just now. Buyers are coming in. Bruh. This day keeps just like triggering me. Try that. Yeah, you're back. Back in, you better. I'm getting triggered. Genuinely. Like, we got an inversion. Now buyers are like back in. I wanted to get in at this little area to this fair value gap, and it's not coming back for me.
Yeah, potentially. Let's see. I'm gonna see if there is. Yeah, potentially. You might want to participate long here.
Right. One might think, right?
One might think.
One
Let's
might
see.
think.
That would be crazy Monday action.
Crazy.
I'm gonna go small risk, Abby. Type
Run
shit.
Run it. Small risk.
You know what I'm saying? I think is this stupid chat? Is it L's chat or W's? Would you guys take a long here?
All right, we do have a fair value gap forming on the 1 minute. Actually,
Okay, so you want to retrace back into that?
We have one on the 5 minute, so I might wait for that at
Okay.
021.
Yeah, because usually when you have a big sell-off or a big run-up, you know, wait for that structure to form so you could get in on that pullback on those fair value gaps that are being created to the upside, or right?
And that could be like a really sexy entry.
Very sexy, yes. I'd rather do a sexy entry than not.
Yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling like a little limit buy at maybe like 28.15.
Yeah. Okay, I'll put it there too.
Participate.
Participate.
Yeah. All right.
Small risk. It's a cheap long, meaning like it can be invalidated pretty good. Pretty fast.
Yeah, closure below that 5 minute basically, yeah. Okay. See, this is what we've been waiting for all morning. We're coming up into a 5 minute right now, so ideally we could reject out of that to pick up our orders. Also, my limit orders at 13.50.
Okay.
Bruh, don't play. Do not play. The 5 minute chart.
Yeah, let's watch the 5 minute. So I had some clips generated. I like how StreamYard does that.
You like that?
Yeah. Is it useful or not?
It doesn't always clip like what you want it to clip. Look at the 3 minute chart though. That's what I was looking at on accident. Like I was looking at that. Like we come down and get in there.
Oh, okay. I never looked at 3 minute.
Yeah, I don't care, but it was an accident, and I like it better.
You're like, I like looking at this today.
I like looking at that. I mean, we got like this right here would be like an engulfing candle, right? I don't know how that works.
No, if it was swept the low, that would have been better. It would have been juicier.
Like, takes the wicks as well.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Not just the body.
Not just the body. Come get my orders. Huh. Because I don't like what it looks like on the 5 minute. Or the 3 minute. 3 minute looks great.
Are you used to looking at the 3 minute?
No, I never look at it.
So hilarious.
But it just looks better today, you know?
Sure.
Do you ever put VWAPs on, like low day VWAPs, and then use that as your entry when it rejects it?
Low of day, not typically. High of day, yes. Not low of day.
Like,
'Cause low
would
of
they
day,
come back down right now to this low day VWAP? And then if we reject it, it makes for a great
are you
entry.
saying? Let's see, hold on. Let's put that up. Yeah, like I wouldn't short if we did like I put a low of day on, and if we close below that low of day, I wouldn't want to get short there because we're just
No,
way too. Yeah,
not
like what are you saying? Like if we find support on it, you're saying?
like we come down, we bounce off of it.
Oh yeah, bouncing off of it. Yeah, okay, I feel you on
Have a
that.
good entry because like if it closes below, you could just close it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, it usually acts as support, so it bounces off that level.
Remember how I said like I wanted to kind of get in already, but
Yeah,
wait, you just gotta wait. You gotta wait.
patience.
Yeah, today's word is definitely patience. Like I was following that all day, so I'm gonna maintain that same energy.
Today's vibe is I'm gonna go sit in the gym for an hour and a half and just do high reps, lightweight on my legs because I feel like they are jello. And I haven't been able to work out my legs in like a month and a half from my back injury. Like, bruh,
Oh,
I
yeah,
feel
that's gonna feel so good.
a little
When
jiggle
you
jiggle.
do a little pump action.
Okay, we got 3 minutes left on this 5 minute. By the way, the entry would not be what I said before. It would probably be at like 28.055.
Yeah, a little bit higher.
Yeah, because I was accidentally looking at the 3 minute.
I fucking love trading.
I said that this morning. And like I was taking loss after loss, like paper cuts. I was like, I love trading.
You're like, I love it. I love this.
I really do. Like I just can't, how can you not be like so grateful and just love trading, you know?
Oh yeah.
Took some couple $100 loss. Yeah. Sick.
Yeah, we both go to the gym, Midgicon. If you don't know, now you know.
If you don't know, now you know now.
You effing love trading too, SM5. Heck yeah. Chat, we're getting some. So 15 minutes about to close here. We're in this 15-minute gap. We'll have to see what happens here. If we get a little rejection here, get price to come to our entry, that'll be sick. If not, if we get an inversion of this 15-minute, I'll have to be hands off until we get probably the real move that I wanted, which was the short at Asia low.
Got 45 seconds
Really?
left.
We can get into a flow where we're smacking this shit back and forth. So
I'm literally short. I'm taking a little stab at a short, but
right now,
yeah, like I just want to see price reject out of this area and come back down to where we're trying to get in. And if that's the case, then I make money on both sides. Otherwise, I just take a small loss. YOLO. But price action is definitely acting a little silly right now. I like you see the move.
So you're in right now?
Yeah.
Merp.
All right. I don't know. Let's see. See if it gets that little.
Nice reaction. Nice reaction off this 15-minute. Okay.
Indeed.
Nice reaction off this 15-minute. We're kind of like in outer space in my view right now, so.
Space. What do you mean outer space?
I don't know. Like we're just not in we can definitely retrace a lot more. There's a lot more fair value gaps that are unmitigated.
100%.
15-minute. Yeah. It's just a tough spot. Like.
I agree.
So I'd be in and out of that beach.
I obviously am not sized heavy, and I'm looking.
I thought you were good.
Down to our entry, where we're talking about entering at 55. That would be I'd close it right before that. But my thing is, if it closes above 225, then I would definitely close it. You need to cut it. But I kind of feel like we're going to reject that gap.
Ooh, this is telling me on my... Here, I'll switch to my screen real quick. I think it's every time I share, it's when it fucking...
It's telling you longs are in.
Yeah, it's telling me longs are in.
Of course it is, because I just,
See? Yeah, so this right here is a TDI. And whatever this right here is called the shark fin blood and water. And this is, whenever this crosses these two lines, the volatility band and also the red line, this could bring price all the way up to the equilibrium, which is this yellow line. So this could continue up.
I feel that.
But could do some shaking and baking here after this huge sell-off. Do we get a V-shaped recovery? I don't think that's likely. I would like to see some pullback and do some action here before we, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I feel that.
You feel that? Shit. Just came from the gym, Tails? Nice.
Tails, I'm jealous. We were just talking about the gym. What, Med? Why is that a surprise that I go to the gym? Are you kidding? I'm so strong. So strong.
Strong. You sound like a Ukrainian. You could go for a Ukrainian.
No.
No.
Speaking of Ukrainian, my friend texted me and I think I forgot to text her back.
She's Ukrainian?
Yeah. Am I chirping right now?
You two look fit. That's right. Wow. Don't make me take the shirt off, Kat.
He's got more muscles than me, but I'm stronger. Just kidding.
Probably.
Are we gonna get back?
Yeah, let's take a look at your entry there. You want to show your screen?
Oh, I'm not in.
Oh, I thought you were in.
It closed me because I had my trailing. I was trailing. And I got $40.
You like to do that trailing stuff, huh?
I do. I'm already in profit.
Everyone's got their thing.
Yeah. I know you're not supposed to do it, but...
Well, no. It's not that you're not supposed to, but sometimes sometimes it's good. Sometimes you choke the trade. Sometimes...
Oh, yeah. Definitely choking the trade all the time, yeah. It's already 8? How is it 8? 6:30, 7:30. Wow, that's crazy. Come on, silly goose. Give the people what they want.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm
Well,
watching this 15-minute. I'm watching this 15-minute here. If we get an inversion of this 15-minute, I'll definitely take it long. And then retrace back into this 15 minutes. So like around this price 160. We might not get our fill down here.
Mm.
Which is surprising because
It's not much to ask for, you know?
you know what I'm saying? Not much.
It's not much to ask for.
You don't need the gym. Everybody needs the gym, guys. That's a non-negotiable. As a trader, you need to learn how to regulate your emotions. And the best way to do that is by exercising your
Crying in a
physical
corner.
body. Or
Crying
crying.
in the closet.
That's another technique.
Bruh. Like, what are you doing?
Type
shit. Touching this one little 1 minute.
Yeah, the Hunger Monster is definitely coming out, man. Jeez. And I just reduced it by a little bit, you know? Like,
just eat protein, and like the only way that it goes against you is if you're eating like carbs and sugar. So,
yeah, I think I had a lot of carbs last night, so that's probably why my blood sugar is probably like, what the hell, man?
yeah. Do like a really intense run.
Oh,
Or weightlifting. Yeah, usually like people bulk carbs before like cardio and high intensity,
Very
like
true.
biking, whatever. I want to bike.
Oh, I love biking.
I love biking too.
You do? I love it.
Like I was telling somebody the other day, I several times have when I lived in Malibu area, like Pacific Palisades, I would get a bike, ride it from Pacific Palisades all the way to like Newport. It was like 20 something miles.
Damn, you like these long distance. You like that long distance stuff, huh? Well, I guess you have a really nice area to do it in. So
you know how the beach has a trail all the way from one side of the west coast to the other side of the west coast. So you just
literally, literally. Yeah, I gotta make it out there one day.
My heart wants to risk my entire P&L on a long, like a high size long, a heavy size long.
What's more important? You like consistently.
Well, here's judgment, right?
Or
here's the judgment. So risk my $1,500 of profit to put like 10, 15 contracts on a long. So 10, 15 contracts on a long, and then it goes to our target, then I make like a couple grand. Then I can take a payout of like 12K. You know what I mean? That's what I'm looking for.
I got you. You're just after the baggery.
I'm just after the bag. What month are we in right now?
It's almost August.
July. Shit.
This year went by so fast. Tails, what is your problem? You are gross.
Oh my goodness. We don't talk about cats like that because we love cats.
Yeah.
She's actually really bony. She's a really bony cat. She's got some squish. You guys want to hear?
What was her name again?
Can you hear it?
Oh, yeah. Oh, whoa.
Oh. Her name is Ivy.
Ivy?
We're twins today. Color scheme on fleek.
Ivy.
Love, 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 love. Oh.
Like poison ivy?
Yeah. Nah, she was named after Blue Ivy Carter because
Who's that?
Beyonce's daughter.
Oh,
She has blue eyes. I don't know. My friend named her. I just let it happen. I couldn't think of a name. I kind of feel like I slept on naming my first pet. Like, that was crazy.
sometimes it's they choose their own name, right? I don't know. Trying to make you feel better there.
She knows her name. I think that's all that matters.
Yeah, so man.
Chat, if we don't get my entry, I'm in full tilt mode. I'm going to do it live on screen. In full tilt mode. Buy, sell, 35.
Aircon. Oh my god, Angel, what's up, homie?
You fucking sicko. Just kidding, love you,
Yes,
Angel.
sir. I don't know. Am I single anymore? I don't even know anymore, man.
First off, he's kidding. Angel is my co-host from E8 Markets, and he's just popping in to be weirdo. I actually think I had Angel, you were in my dream last night. You were in my dream.
No way.
Yeah. It's because we had a conversation over DMs about his green card. So yeah,
Shit.
you were in my dream last night. I don't remember exactly what it was, but I remember you and your girlfriend were there in my dream. I think we were in, what state is that? Your state. We were in like Wilmington or something. In C.
Yeah. Angel's in my dream too. If you're naughty.
I love it.
Actually, I did have a naughty dream.
What did you dream about, Angel? That's a good one. Should we just short now?
No, because like I said, I was talking about this buy indication right here. I would like for us to get a fill, you know what I'm saying?
I want to. Our entry on the, what is that, 5-minute gap also lines up the with a 1 minute, and it's the only like 1 minute that presents since we thing.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see that. I like that.
Here we go.
Wilmington is goated.
See how that works? Not gonna lie, I did get short just then.
Okay. You're a super scalper.
Super scalper.
Yeah, basically your idea is valid though. Like we're reacting off this 15-minute gap where you have a clear draw of liquidity with that 15-minute gap, right?
I like the way you put it.
Yeah, I help you out, you know what I mean? Try to make sense of your madness here.
Photo. Yeah, I'm really like, it was like so many of those little cat hairs now. There were so many of those little things. I'm like, it must mean something. Come on. Don't do me dirty, Martha.
Tell me how you like it.
Angel, keep a PG in here. With no DD. What's DD? Do not disturb.
With no drawdown. He said I was full porting shorts at 9:30. Yeah, he was talking about shorts because I went into his stream. Him and Ken were looking at shorts, but I think he didn't take it, right? Angel, you did take it or you didn't take it?
Why you no take? Chicken? Chicken out?
5K account with E8. 5K? What are you gonna do with a 5K account, bro? You still in?
Me? Yeah.
Mm.
Oh, why is it?
Way to be like fluid with it, yo.
Let me kick myself real quick so I can reshare entire screen. Right there. Oh, that's not even on. Like, because, like, you know how Austin sometimes he'll just like look at price action, he'd be like, I'm in. And like he just like knows.
Yeah.
I feel like when price action starts to it'll start like moving like real weird, and then you know it's like it's time to go. Like we got all of these candles right here. No one's really then we start getting this like price action that's moving really slick, like, and like that was my feeling towards it.
Yep, I feel you.
Like you said, choke these. Probably put it at the top of the wick. Why not? Because like it's going into this area where we're gonna already get filled.
Mm-hmm.
So like might as well take the money on the way down too. You know? Ya sabe? Ya sabe, Angel?
Tú sabes. Good trade, Abby. Good trade.
We out here. But if we do form a gap right here, I'm gonna probably just take profits. Yeah. Kind of feel like I'm just gonna take profits. Cause like I don't feel like dealing with it.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Mm-hmm. Good trade. Clean.
Yeah. I'm gonna do that.
Clean. That was clean.
We're choking it. Teehee. All right, we're out of that. So now we're up 2162. And Urcon and I have orders here. I don't need to put 10 contracts on that now that I've just done what I did. We're going to reduce down to like that. So the reason for this one is that not only is this a 5-minute gap that we formed and we be putting it in a higher low, but if you look at the 15-minute, we also have not.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh, it was the 3-minute. Sorry, the 5-minute, the 3-minute, and the 1-minute. They all have a gap right there. So, are you? No?
I'm about to get filled. But it's just a very risky play.
For me, excuse me. For me,
I'm in chat. I'm in long.
I'm in long too. A closure below there, though, might be something to think about. Okay, let's see the 3 minutes down here too. I'm gonna check that.
The sniper of the sniper sexy status, or we can get smoked.
Are you joking? Look how beautifully this did react, you know?
I know.
Let's see if it
went. A nice pop. Holy shit. That's the... I don't want to talk too soon.
Yeah.
I want to talk too soon. Are you seeing my chart or your chart? Okay.
It's on my.
Nice. This could be the
good.
Sexiest long right now.
Yeah, like talk about that perfect fill.
Sniper type shit.
See, all of that morning activity that we were just like shit talking, and we're like, you know. So that 3-minute gap I was talking about is down here. So like if it closed below that, or obviously your lows, but that's a huge one for me. So probably not do that.
This was a great entry.
Indeed.
And we talked about it.
Let him cook. Let him cook. Yeah, we're cooking. We both got in on this. Like, we honestly got such a killer entry.
Like, it doesn't get any more beautiful than that. Like,
It really doesn't.
if it takes the highs, like, that's like fucking. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, let's talk about this. Where is price action headed? So we have a gap. We have a gap here. We obviously have New York here. So New York's sitting at 255, but we've been double breaking every day. So if we came up and double break, my funding's going to heaven. 620, 255. So 255 is here. That would be another $2,000 profit. But if we're going up to 255 is New York, we'll definitely show some sort of 253. Some sort of something. And then what is the opening range high at 615? So like 615, that'd be sexy. 5,500 additional profit. Hello. Where are you trying to get out at? Like 215?
Probably the unmitigated 15.
Let's see, 15.
On 15-minute unmitigated. I mean, this is the problem. Like right now, is that we're inside the 15-minute bearish gap.
Yeah.
We did have a nice reaction there. Does it continue doing what we want it to? Potentially.
Like we get a closure of 232, then we're definitely going up to 299.
232.
Look at all the 15-minute charts, yeah.
I would love for this to inverse this 15-minute. If 15-minute inverses, we are Gucci.
Yeah. And we also know, like, we put in a high here at 203. New York is slightly above. It'll probably want to take the high to the left. So 299 is like probably a good area to TP and then look for an entry if we wanted to.
Yeah, I agree. We haven't touched New York all session though. That's the only problem. Like, why do we get a reversion back now? To view up, you know, it's like it's pretty fucking overextended.
Valid.
That bounce was nice though. That's why we just have to watch what this 15-minute gap wants to do. I think it's just gonna take some little bit of patience here to kind of like sit through this.
Yeah.
I mean, we ran.
I mean, I got plenty of them on my account, so if it wants to tell me to fuck around and find out, I guess I could.
Don't like how we're coming back here.
I'll look at if we get a closure below this.
It's pretty heavy.
Yeah, that would be a good indication to get out. Let's see what it wants to do. You see my chart, right? We got the low.
Yep.
And
I see that.
It looks like we could get a closure below it, which also looks like a great short.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're getting it. We're getting it. I'm not good for the entry. Are we gonna get it?
Yes.
41.
What do you guys think, chat? Should we hold?
I don't think so. Because this is giving me more information that I'm like, you know, like, of course I don't know, market's been brute.
Hmm.
See, that's not really a close. That's not a good one. Like, if you want to get technical. I think I am.
The stop has you, huh?
I think I am gonna cover though. Like, if it wants to come down
I
here.
understand. Be annoying.
Yeah.
Be annoying.
Yeah, it'll take me out. So this isn't like a break that I'd feel like super confident in, just because it's not like half or more of the body, but it's like how much does that really matter?
Mm.
Oh, what do you guys think?
The appropriate stop on this is going to be the low of day.
Okay, how about this? We won't close. We'll just take some size off in profit. Because I feel like reduce my risk so I don't think about it so much.
Yeah, I'm not sure I'm liking this anymore.
And then if it goes down here, then yeah, it's whatever. Be happy either way.
Something wants to happen here.
Something does want to happen. It's a question of, are they gonna fake everybody out and not take out the lows again?
Mm-hmm.
That's the question.
Right.
And I would be very confident in saying like that's probably what's gonna happen. Patience, patience, patience.
Yes.
We were up what, like 800, 900 bucks, and then all the way turn around. Blah, blah, blah. Go fuck yourself.
I know, I hate that shit.
LS, do not full port anything.
I mean,
yeah.
Just to watch what's happening here. Come on, nasty Nasdaq.
Literally. Do you have a stop loss on?
I do not. I don't have a physical stop loss right now. I have a mental stop loss, but I'm just not liking.
I just reduced my size again, and I have my stop loss at the lows. It'd be a $240 risk, which
yeah, that's definitely appropriate.
And then if we got back up to opening range high for that double break switch, then there's potential that if that happens,
reevaluate here.
An extra $1,100. So, guys, let's play some music. There's music on. Right?
There's music. I think so.
Yeah, I hear it. Do you guys hear the music? You don't hear the music? I've been like dancing and singing to it. Like,
yeah, there's been a little bit of music.
I'll change the song or something. Anyways, no. So, like, I got one contract on. I'm already up $2,250 in the account. I do not need to go shoot for $5,500, like on, and risk. What was it, like $1,100? We'll just be patient, reduce size, sit through it. The reality is, if it takes those lows, we're breaking the initial balance. And once we break the initial balance, it is an 80% of the time that it only breaks that same side of the balance. We don't go back up and break the other side, which means shorts will be in play for the rest of the day, and we can play off of the initial balance. But vice versa is true. If it goes up and breaks the top, then it only breaks the top for the rest of the day. So right now we're technically sitting in the middle of the range, and we shouldn't technically make any trades.
Yeah, I know, honestly. but good eye with that initial balance stuff. I'm not too familiar with it. Okay, new 15-minute candle is closed, or open rather.
Like our initial balances from 655, I think, to like 937.
I'm out of that, Abby.
You're out of it?
Yeah, I didn't want to deal with it anymore. Even though it can turn, it's just too heavy.
Feel it. I'll give it another.
I kind of choked it, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna wait for a little bit more confirmation here on the 15.
Yeah.
15, if we get a little bit more confirmation. And I'm not even like big size here. I don't know what you know what it is, Abby. I'm trying to take a payout on this account. Like I have like another $300 target to take 4K. So that's why I'm kind of like treading lightly. Maybe
we like 4K. I like 4K.
Yeah. Calling 4K. Chat.
I could be down to just leave the room and let this play out because what, $240?
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, you're chilling. Like I'm not that up as much as you are right now because I didn't full port yet.
Oops.
Seems like you should have. Yeah, I know. Should have popped back up. That's the thing. It's just too heavy. Like it's heavy, bro. Cells are heavy.
The most believable thing with the IB is that maybe we come down. We're already here, right? So the idea is you can like take trades to it and from it once we break it. So we're already closer to this one. I don't know how that works. I don't really know how that part works. But it looks like we're coming down. Let's keep an eye on this VWAP.
That low day.
Yeah.
Yeah, because after that inversion happened at the low day view up there, I was like, nah, I didn't like that. That 1 minute, if you go to 1 minute in an inversion, you see that right where the low day is. I was like, nah, no me gusta. No me gusta.
I feel like I should peace out of mine too.
Well, it's up to you. It's up to you. Up to you. I mean, you're up pretty good, but it's up to you.
I love how we're like, yeah, that was the best trade, the best entry, so sick. We're up $900, and then later.
No, that was a nice pump. I did not expect that to just. I was like, okay, there's got to be some room here. You know, we've been selling off all day. It's got to at least take the high of that shit. You know.
Yeah.
Fucking 200s, at least take 200s. But
I won't say the word that I feel like saying right now because it's bad. But we have what we have.
The curse.
If we inverse this gap, and we also have that 3 minute that I was looking at. Okay, that's crazy. That's crazy talk.
You're going back to 3 minute. You're gonna.
I'm looking at the 5 minute.
Is this a new thing for you? 3 minute.
I just like that fair value gap.
Yeah, I hear you.
That little M3, you know what I'm saying? Should I just like add 15 contracts right now and then get out?
The devil's upon us. Forget that now.
My heart wants the 5,500 though.
5,500? That's crazy.
Didn't we have our eyes set on 27,800 earlier? Then we completely changed our bias.
I mean, we saw that level. I mean, we were looking at it, and
we just got such a strong bounce off of those lows that we took. Like, I don't know. Like, I feel like we gotta put in. There's a tiny little gap right here. I feel like we gotta put in. This has got to be the bottom, you know?
This would be a better entry, right? If you wanted to add. But I don't know, man. It's just too
We're
heavy.
in that 3 minute.
We're in that 3 minute right now, yeah.
If we close below the 95.
What's my risk? What would that be, like $50 if I were to take a 1 micro? Around here.
You're talking about getting long. I'm talking about getting out.
Oh. Fuck.
So.
Well, aren't we in a daily? No, we're not in a daily gap, right?
No, we're in that 3 minute though that I was talking about earlier.
But nothing high time frame, right?
No.
Yeah, so we're like I said, you kind of like we're in outer space where this is kind of just like not a level. Like if we were in a 4-hour like bullish gap or something, then I would be like, okay, yeah, this is a perfect entry on a smaller time frame. But this could easily take the low, you know, because there's no like higher time frame gaps that we're working off of. Mm-hmm. We're kind of just working off of that 3 minute gap. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
To drive price, because we want price to drive up aggressively, and that only happens with higher time frame fair value gaps.
Mm-hmm.
So
calling it today. Looks like I won't be retiring my bloodline today. Yeah, I'm gonna feel you.
Yeah, what time do you want to go till?
No time. If we get a closure below this blue line that is looking like it's gonna get a closure below, then I'm gonna add in and get out. We got it. I added in. Let's see. I don't think that's gonna work, but get me out, market. Get me out. So the closure below that line is the 3 minute gap. And then like there's nowhere else to go except for down to the lows at this point. Unless we want to like, you know, they just want to mess with us and do some stuff.
I would have waited for that add-in.
Well, I'm only thinking like let me get out, you know. Like look, perfect bounce. So instead of losing like over $100, it'll be like nada, you know? Like I'd like to see just to get out of it. Like this is all the stuff they told you not to do, you know? But
I see what you're doing.
I'm just a girl. I'm just me. I want to lose less money, you know?
Yeah, I understand.
See, look at that beautiful.
Everyone's got their technique.
Before. Now I'll only lose like a few bucks.
Not too shabby.
You know what I'm saying. All right, cool. Instead of being down over $100, I'm only down 30.
See that? Take notes, guys.
Take notes. Add into your losing trades. Just kidding, don't. Okay, but can we talk about what if this is the higher low?
I would like to see a little bit more confirmation. If it is, then we'd be good.
But there's no confirmation to get out of this. Like, we have this already mitigated little gap right here that if we get a closure above, then sure, we have this little mitigated gap.
What time frame are we looking at again?
I'm looking at the 1 minutes right now.
Well, 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. I guess we have like another gap. If we close above 44, we have an inversion and we have a good trade out of it. So if we can put in, if we don't take the lows, we put in a higher low, we close above 44, we'll have a good trade until like the New York view up.
Man, that would be insane.
You guys want to see? Let's see the 5.
We were so high off of our freaking. Oh, this is such a sexy entry.
See, I know.
And fucking. I mean, we felt like it was gonna take the 200s at least.
We were so close to like how stupid.
So close,
all right, this is my next one right here.
I guess we should have a rule of thumb that after big extended moves, just scalping the inverse of those moves. It's just scalping. Looking for home run.
Like, why be greedy? I was looking at like my TP was like 5,500.
Yeah, we were greedy.
Dreaming.
I was up nice on that, and it happened within 2 minutes.
Wait, where's the soundboard?
Do you have one?
Yeah. Everybody has one. They're all on here. I just don't use it because I think it's silly. But
soundboards are lit.
Wait. Where's the fa? What is that one called?
I don't know. They're just called fa. Fa. What's Liquidity Lab? Liquidity Lab is quiet. You're not that active in there.
Who? Me? What?
Yeah, you.
I am so sorry. I keep forgetting like Monday, Wednesday, Friday because I've had my therapy appointments on Mondays. I just switched them to Tuesdays, so I'd stop missing the Monday appointment. And then today, 45, I have a doctor's appointment in Laguna Hills. So, yeah.
Oh, that's right. We have a call. Are we getting in tails?
I want to see an inversion fair value gap out of this little thing I have marked out here. First off, we don't need these. These gotta go. We already screwed ourselves on those. Inversion of this, and then we do potentially this 5 minute. We close above this 5 minute and we have all this space up here. We could technically, our low hanging fruit would be here, but we all know it's going to go there. So that would be.
These pump ups are like just low. There's not enough steam behind these pumps. Like our entry at the 3 minute right there, like it had that little pop, but just not following through. But
it's not like we could very well take the lows and just go down to this. What was that, like a gap or some shit? Yeah.
$150 what? What are you talking about? Between Forex and futures? Talking about the price? Because the price is different by $150.
Interesting.
Okay.
Of course it's different.
Okay. Oh, you still have that annoying call.
I got you, Tails. Sorry, I have been so busy. I had a birthday over the weekend, so I'll get that over to you. I'm so sorry. I actually did not submit that. I just remembered I didn't submit that. I swear I meant to. I swear. It takes it's like really a process to try to get it all set up. But I'll get it done.
Is that for Which account is that for?
Top one.
Nice. So you spoke with Lance then. I talked to him yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna be on that shit too.
Stock
Looks
them
like
up.
it's- yeah.
Come on. I don't want to stay here through the next 5 minutes, to be honest. You know what? I'm good to call it. I got a doctor's appointment.
I was gonna say that too. So we can call it.
Yeah, let's call it. So, guys, thanks for showing up. My X account needs to be re-verified so I can do some things or whatever. Now Urcon will host giveaways. Let's go. Yeah, Urcon's turn.
Yeah.
I did them all last week. You do them all this week.
Yeah, I gotta get him. I gotta get with Lance. So
Yeah. All
for
right.
sure,
Well,
guys, stay tuned.
Mondays, we honestly should just do specific days, like do giveaways specific days.
Okay.
Instead of every day, because like as much as I'd like to do it every day, like they're not gonna give us that many accounts, you know.
Yeah. That's true.
But you guys can always use our code Urcon Abby, and get the highest discount. We're probably you're diamond member. I'm assuming we're probably both diamond members. They like us up there. All right, guys. Well, I can leave you with this. If we close above the 5-minute gap, there's a possibility we could at least take these highs right here. That is
potential.
If we can't close above it, we're going to take the lows. And then I don't really know what to tell you other than there's a daily gap down here at like 20-something 800. So that could be a draw. But it's really hard to say. It's really hard to say. Need more information. All right, guys. La la la.
Good guys. Appreciate you. Thanks for having me.
You guys are the best. Urcon, thank you for popping in. Yeah, I texted you this morning. I was like, are we doing streaming? Because somebody messaged in the group and they're like, are you guys streaming? And then I was like, shit. Like, I guess. I didn't want to stream. Like, Mondays are hard for me. They really are so difficult. But I'm glad that we got on here. And
Of course. We always keep 100. All right, guys. Have a blessed day.
GG's. W's.
Peace.
Ups in the chat.
Ups in the chat. We'll see you soon.
Mañana.